I'd like to chat about a tax credit that's available to owners or renters of commercial property. The federal government, in its infinite wisdom, attempts to find ways to stimulate the economy, but more often than not, it is the elite that benefit from these tax credits. Our job is to get the word out to all U.S. businesses that could benefit from these credits. So, getting back to this particular credit, the Fed says that there are things within your commercial property that you can accelerate the depreciation on. I'm sure your CPA will sit you down at tax time and say, so what did you buy this year? And you say, well, I bought a computer. He says, okay, we'll write that off in 3 years, splitting the $3,000 you paid for it into three equal $1,000 parts. These items can be written off as personal property in 5 years or less, while the building items themselves are generally written off in 39 and a half years and called real property. So the magic here is that there are things buried in your walls, soffits, cabinets, etc. that can be written off in an accelerated manner by qualified engineering auditors like us, generally not your CPA, if you want to comply with the fullest extent of the IRS rules. The beauty of this all is that you get to increase your cash flow in the early years of ownership and cash in on the time value of your money. Maybe do some beneficial investments or hire a key employee with that money that could amplify the effect of having that cash now. And keep in mind that the national statistic is that buildings are only owned an average of 7 years anyway. Even if you purchased or renovated 5 to 7 years ago, it may still be worth it to do one of these studies. If you'd like to take advantage of this great tax credit, we're here to find it for you. Click the green I want to save money button now, and we'll get back to you just as soon as we can.